The blizzard survival system was invented in the frigid climates of Northwest Wales. Each blizzard product utilizes unique Reflexcell. This radical new technology provides maximum warmth and protection in the most compact of packages. Reflexcell is a triple-layer polymer foil with a honeycomb construction and interwoven elastic cording. The material reduces shock and guards against the risk of hypothermia in all weather conditions. Blizzard protection products are used by the U.S. military, emergency preparedness, law enforcement agencies, as well as outdoor sports enthusiasts, disaster relief workers, medical treatment facilities, and individuals interested in personal survival. Along with the insulating properties of Reflexcell, each product in the Blizzard Survival line has unique features. The Blizzard Survival Blanket is a staple of hypothermia care within the U.S. military. Its flat rectangular shape accommodates central placement and envelopment of a casualty with a tape closure system along its length. The Blizzard Survival Sleeping Bag provides warmth and insulation comparable to an 8-tog sleeping bag. A simple drawstring closure allows for self-application. The Blizzard Survival Vest accommodates active mobility while providing head-to-core hypothermia protection. New products include those that generate heat for the patient or user. The Blizzard Heat is a pod-shaped unit with heating pads that activate when exposed to ambient air. Side slits provide full access to patient extremities without releasing necessary heat, and Velcro is used along its length to close the system. Heating pads can be purchased separately and used with any Blizzard Survival product. All products are available in OD green and civilian silver. All Blizzard products are vacuum sealed for easy storage and handling. Simply tear to open the outer package. Instructions are located inside. Unfold and fully expand the product. To store an open Blizzard product, simply fold, press out any excess air, and store in a large resealable bag or in a Blizzard pouch. The Blizzard Survival Blanket weighs 1 pound, is compact, and fully expands to envelop large and tall patients. Open the outer wrap. Unfold the blanket. Lay the blanket flat on the ground. Lay the casualty on top of the open blanket and close using the tape closure system. To monitor wounds or IV fluids, simply reopen from the top and close again. The Blizzard Heat Casualty Blanket is vacuum sealed to a compact size and expands to accommodate large and tall casualties and their gear when necessary. Open the outer wrap. Unfold the blanket. The heating pads will activate when exposed to air. Each heating pad is affixed with Velcro and can be moved or removed as desired. Position the casualty inside and close. To check vital signs, open anywhere along the side slits.